look what we've got here. No surprise, it's the center spigot. Heavy duty, solid as a rock. As you can see, sort of tapered down that way. And then it's also tapered slightly down that way. Which means it'll be loose at the first bit. And as it gets in, it tightens up. Really smart design, works really, really well. This is a laser cut and folded channel. Essentially, we've got a flat plate with a nut. What that means, I don't know if you can see that nut, means that's where the bolt that comes up through the bottom of this, that's where it actually ties into and clamps this down. Let's give you a quick run through. Slides in there, beautiful and snug. Grab your little M10 bolt, pop it up through underneath, do it up, and then grab yourself a socket, a wrench. You'll need an extension for the rear, you'll need an extension for the front. That's because these are all interchangeable. So say for ladder rack, you had one in the middle, but you want to put it at the back, or you want to put it at the front. You don't have to have different ladder racks with different positions in the trailer. So really handy, good to know. I'll go up and do this up, and I'll show you just how strong it is once it's done up. Nice and snug as a bug and rug. That is solid. Can take impact inside, outside, side impact as well. It's not going anywhere. It's rock solid, but the biggest benefit, it doesn't rattle. Your trailer's not going to drive down the road and rattle like it's 500 years old, because it won't, and it's built once, done right. Like that. Like that.